Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to effectively use social media for digital marketing. Today, we're delving deep into the world of social media marketing, and I'm sharing more strategies to help you succeed in this dynamic space. First is you need to leverage user-generated content. Encourage your customers and followers to create content related to your brand or products. User-generated content adds authenticity to your marketing efforts and can be a powerful trust-building tool. Next is you need to embrace influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers in your niche who have a genuine following. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience and establish credibility in your industry. Next is utilize hashtags effectively. Research and use relevant hashtags in your post to increase discoverability. But don't overdo it. Use a few key hashtags that truly represent your content. Strategy 4 is to run contests and giveaways. Organize fun and engaging contests or giveaways to boost engagement and create buzz around your brand. Ensure the rules are clear and that participants share your content to enter. Next is invest in paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising on social media platforms to reach a highly targeted audience. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer robust ad targeting options. And the last one is to monitor and analyze metrics. Regularly analyze your social media performance using platform analytics tools. Track key metrics like engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to refine your strategy. And that's it! You now have a broader set of strategies for effectively using social media for digital marketing. Remember, it's all about leveraging user-generated content, collaborating with influencers, using hashtags smartly, running engaging contests, investing in paid advertising, and keeping a close eye on your performance metrics. Before we wrap up, here's a valuable insight. Social media is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Experiment with these strategies, adapt them to your brand's unique needs, and stay committed to learning and growing in the digital marketing landscape. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to effectively use social media for digital marketing. See you on my next video.